What to do, y'all? Let's touch on today's video. Follow for follow. Is it worth it? Does it really benefit you? And why should you do it? And why shouldn't you do it?
Daddy,
Huh?
um, just do like this,
You like that?
and smack that like button.
Okay, follow for follow. It's something that a lot of growing streamers and YouTubers do to help boost their follower count. And they think that it's a good idea because on paper it does sound good. I follow you, you follow me back, I get my follow number up. But let's ask the question: what is a follow really even worth? What is someone following you worth? You know, like the feeling of someone following you because they really enjoy your content and they like it, versus you just saying, hey, I'm gonna slap your back, you slap mine, you know what I'm saying? And then they follow you. So what, like, let's be real. There have been occasions where you would follow someone and you've done that, but how many times have you ever watched that person? Or how many times has that person ever watched you? 9 times out of 10, never, right? So what is even the point at the end of the day? Like, you should be asking yourself the question: how does this benefit me as a creator? Okay, yes, there are scenarios where your follower count matters when it comes down to becoming an affiliate on Twitch, when it comes down to trying to become monetized on YouTube. But outside of that, what does that follow or follows matter to you if you're doing a simple exchange for it and it's not on their own free will? Well, what is the point if they're not really truly a part of your community? What does these numbers and everything truly mean at the end of the day? They mean nothing. Now, the people that engage and grasp your content, that watches your content, that is truly a part of your community, those are the people, and those numbers are the ones that matter. You could follow over a million people, or when I use million, that's kind of an exaggeration, over 100 people. Now, out of that 100 people, yeah, you got 100 follows, but if none of them watch you and you're still at zero, average viewers, 0 views in your stream, you're still streaming to an empty audience. How did that benefit you or help you? How many times have anybody ever come to your stream, or you come to someone's stream and say, hey, well, they got 5 followers, I guess I'm not gonna follow them, they don't have enough to get my follow? So it truly at the end of the day means nothing. Now, there are separate opportunities where a follower count matters, and those are different situations that you starting off you're not even concerning yourself with, outside of maybe trying to get affiliate on Twitch because it's 50 followers. So of course you're gonna do things like that, but after that point, you should really ask yourself, how is this benefiting me if none of these people watching me and I don't watch them? And little do you know, most of the time what happens is that you follow them, then you follow them back, etc., and they unfollow you. Make them look good. I'm pretty sure there's plenty of accounts on Twitter every time, and that's how they get their follower count up so high, is because they follow you, and then you trying to be the generous person that you are, and you follow that account back on Twitter. I guarantee you wait a few days later and they have unfollowed you. So how does these situations benefit you? They don't. What you should focus on is keep grinding to build your community, keep producing and making content to bring in those viewers and everything, and everybody that would truly appreciate your art that you're creating. So at the end of the day, the follower number is just another statistic. It is just another number. When starting off, it literally means nothing. Do not stress yourself about those numbers. You should not really be focusing so heavy on doing follow, because at the end of the day, it benefits you nowhere. It does not benefit you. It does nothing. Like, unless you use those opportunities, and what if you follow 100 people, you can watch 100 different people, but try to engage with those people and bring them into your community and build up from there. So now you're actually creating a better opportunity. But outside of that, I mean, if they don't watch it, then you literally are just wasting your time. So you should focus more on genuinely bringing in natural followers, organic, I think is the terminology. That's what we're gonna go with here. And having no and earn that follow, because it means more. It truly means more when you wake up and you go, whew, that's yeah. But I mean, if you got 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 followers or whatever, and you are the only person that's watching your stream, how does having that number even matter? The true number at the end of the day is the people that consume and take in your content, the people that watch your videos, the people that truly support you and tell you that they enjoy your content, that they like and enjoy watching. Those are the followers, those are the numbers that matter. So you should not be concerning yourself with the little things that do not matter, because at the end of the day, that's what truly matters. So keep on grinding, don't give up, and keep on pushing. If you enjoyed the video here today, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Tell me your thoughts on below on the subject matter. And why do you follow me? Tell me that. Why do you follow me? Why do you watch my content and enjoy my content? If you do, I doubt you do. You're just here. You know, you just but if you do, if you truly enjoy my content, why do you watch my stuff? What made you click the button to watch it? Let me know down in the description below. Don't forget to follow my Twitch, twitch.tv/Nahgato. I stream very often, most of the time later in the night, around 6 o'clock p.m. Central Time. So come over, check out a stream. Play a variety of games you may enjoy. You never know. Until next time, catch you guys later. Deuces.